I heard this hollering outside.
Everybody was kung fu fighting.
드디, 빨리.
I'm sorry, no donuts today because the vet said you're too thick.